Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Pro, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So, to get started you will want to hold power button and the volume up, and then select power off from the boot options. When the phone turns off, hold power button and volume up again, and let go of the power button when you see the Honor logo on a screen. From here, we want to select Clear Data and then select Wipe Cache Partition. This automatically goes through wipe, and this only takes, as you can see, just literally a couple seconds. So from here we're gonna select Back and Restart, and this will reboot the device and now bring us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.